In this video, we're going to try to find the limit of sine to the power n of pi over 10. Okay? So here we're going to use some quick ways to find the limit. The first thing that we need to notice is that sine of pi over 10 is less than 1 strictly. Okay? And it's bigger than 0 strictly. Okay? Because from the unit circle, we know that the sine, the pi over 10 is something smaller. So it's very small. So the sine is very tiny, small, okay? The cosine is big, but less than 1 for both cases, okay? We can prove that in general that the sine of x is less than x for all x bigger than 0, for instance, okay? Positive for the sine positive, okay? So that means the sine of pi over 10 is less than pi over 10. Okay, if we take the power here, we're gonna have this one into power, but this one is less than 1. Therefore, when we take the limit, we're gonna see that we have these conditions to apply the squeeze theorem. So this is our un, and this is our vn, which is 0, and this is our sequence here that let's call it tn. So our aim for this sequence, so the limit of tn, which is this one here, is going to be less than the limit of pi over 10 to the power n, less or equal, because when we take the limit, even if it's strict, it's going to be less or equal. So here the limit of vn, we know it's 0, okay? So it's going to become, so this is 0, this is our limit that we are interested in, and this one goes to 0 because this is a geometric sequence that has pi over 10 less than 1, so it's 0. Therefore, my limit is 0. So this proves that the limit of sine to the power n of pi over 10 is 0 as n goes to infinity. Okay? See that algebra plays a role. It's very important to be able to know algebra and remember the formulas that we need to conclude, and also using some geometry. So algebra is great to work with limits for find the limits and finding some lower bounds, upper bounds, and ratios. Okay, so it's good to know algebra and be able to memorize and prove as many formulas as you can. So this ends our video. Thank you very much.